Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have recently purchased DJI Osmo Action 4 action camera and you are not sure how to change the batteries because some people are confused and how to put up the new battery. So in this video, I will be guiding you how you can do that. So it is a bit tricky but very easy. So if you see on the right side, there is a button, so you have to press that and then slide up. See, like this. I will be showing you again. Press this button. You have to press this where DJI is written, then slide up, and then you have to turn up. See, this is the case where you have to put up the SD card here and the battery is here. So this is my battery case with the batteries, three batteries. So I will be taking out one of the batteries. So this is my one battery and I will be putting up the battery here, so you can then close and slide downwards. So that is how you have to put up the new battery or change the battery. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel on other short videos on DJI Osmo Action 4. Thank you.